Listening to music is something that everyone does every day. Some may do it once a day, and some would like their music to keep playing all day long. Especially to all music lovers out there, it would be such a dream if we could just drown in the beauty of melodies and beats while earning money. Well, say no more! In this video, we will be showing you how to get those bills while doing what you love most, learning music. Yes, you heard that right. You can now feed your starving bank account through listening to your favorite songs, and the best part is, no more piles of unattended workloads. With just one click of a button on your mobile or computer, you will surely earn that passive income you've been hoping for. And if it's not already convenient for you, you can do this anytime, anywhere, be it at home or even with your peers. After this video, you will be surprised to find yourself being paid just to sit and relax while sipping a cup of coffee or having your favorite meal as your top chosen artists are singing in the background. What a life, right? We know you're excited to know how you will be able to sign up for it, and we will be teaching you right away. But before that, remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button and turn on notifications so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Our videos would help you earn money in the most convenient way possible. So make sure to stay tuned. And now, to get started. The websites that would be mentioned today would pay you to listen to music. The first one you would want to visit is RadioEarn.com. Upon entering the website, you will see their slogan being displayed that reads, "Earn alone or with your website with a listening radio." And they do exactly just that, pay you for listening to the radio on their website. How great is that? If you scroll a little further, you will see 4 easy steps you can follow to get started. Sign up, sign in, and start radio or use API, earn and pay out. Great features you'll love is also displayed on the page's home. It states that the website has high compatibility with audios. You can style your radio the way you want to. The website also has a simple system, and it also has best placed ads and detailed statistics and API. Last but not the least, everyone's favorite feature, earn and pay out, that can be completed through bank transfer, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, or PayPal itself. Questions and answers are also featured in the page for everyone to see. Below that, you would be able to see a label that says "Register Now an Account." Once you press the blue button below it, you should be able to begin creating an account for yourself. And take note, it's 100% free for everyone. On this screen, enter your selected username, first name, last name, email address, and password. Then complete this CAPTCHA and click Register. You have now successfully established your new account. Now you may log in and see your own dashboard. Once inside the dashboard, you will be able to see how much you have earned for the past days, so you can easily keep track of how much you're making. Now, go to where it says Start Earning and click Listen to Radio. You will select one of these given options of radio stations and be paid every couple of minutes for listening. You will be rewarded points that will be added immediately to your account and can subsequently be converted into real money. However, before anything else, to make sure that you really are being paid for the time you spent listening to the radio, click on the Settings button at the top of the website and make sure you fill up the needed information so that they can send you the money for your hard work. If you do not know of other ways to complete the payment process, it is best and most convenient that you create a PayPal account. To get started, go to paypal.com. Click the sign up button and be sure to create a personal account rather than a business account to prevent future difficulties. Signing up under business account is all right, but it has more requirements than the other option. Having a PayPal account makes it easy to be paid for many of the websites that provide freelance opportunities. There is no need to pay for a premium membership to use PayPal. It is completely free, and you can even link it to your bank account for withdrawals. Once you have connected your PayPal account to your Radio Earn account, you can freely listen to any radio station you want. You can now begin earning while it freely plays in the background and you go about your day. Remember to check if you have reached the required number of minutes before switching to a new station. Liking this video so far? Leave a comment down below. We would love to hear how helpful this has been for you. Your suggestions and recommendations would also be greatly appreciated because we want to know how to help you better in the future. And now going back, the second website is to visit cash4minutes.com. Cash4Minutes is a one-of-a-kind service that allows you to earn money just by making phone calls and listening to your music on your phone. After visiting this website, all you have to do is sign up. After completing that section, you should have received an email confirming your account. When you initially log into your account, they will display for you a page with instructions on how to utilize the website to generate money. So make sure to read it to understand about the platform's guidelines. Remember to connect your payment method to that site so that you can get paid. The third website is to check out musicxray.com. You may listen to music brands on this page and earn money while reviewing their tracks. This website was created to encourage musicians that want their music to be recognized and to acquire a global following. They are renowned as the industry's top song and talent finder. By uploading their songs to the portal and collecting followership, these musicians pay a fee to market their music and establish a fan base to begin their career. Begin by clicking the Sign Up for Free button. The majority of the recordings you will hear are barely 30 seconds long. Music X-Ray is a simple website to use that is well worth your time. However, there are a few things you should be aware of before you begin. First, you cannot listen to a music for less than 30 seconds, and stopping the music before the 30-second mark will earn you no money, not even a penny. Second, after listening to a tune, you can opt to become a fan or to decline. You will be compensated for whatever you choose, so it is entirely up to you. Pro tip: rearranging your music selections on a weekly basis will ensure that you continue to receive additional tracks to listen to and suggested songs to appreciate. This way, you will be able to appreciate this thrill even more while listening to your favorite genres. And there you have it. That is it for today's video. We hope this has been a helpful tip to everyone out there looking for convenient and hassle-free ways to earn money. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you will be updated every time we upload. This will definitely not be the last time we will help you earn money in the easiest way possible. So make sure to turn on that notification bell so you can stay tuned on our next video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below to inform us how helpful this has been for you. See you in the next one!